I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your balance on your Fido Prepaid eSIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Open your phone and dial *123#. This is a quick code to check your balance directly. Step 2. Listen for the automated message. After dialing, wait for the automated message to play. It will inform you of your current balance and any available data. Step 3. Use the Fido app. Before activation, use the eSROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 4. Check your online account. You can also log into your Fido account on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the overview section to see your balance. Step 5. Set up balance alerts. To avoid surprises, consider setting up balance alerts in your account settings. This way, you'll receive notifications when your balance is low. Just a quick note, if you're using the app and can't find your balance, ensure that you have the latest version installed. Happy checking!